Hey guys, just coming to you again with another unboxing video. Today we do have the Google Wi-Fi one pack that I will be unpacking today. They do offer a one pack and a three pack. The Google Wi-Fi is a mesh network is what they call it, which is a network that has more than one access point in your home. I have two of these for my house. I already have one set up. This is the next one that I'm going to be installing. Whenever you install these, we'll kind of go through it, and as I'm opening here, a mesh network, you only have to install, or you only have to plug in the Ethernet cable to one of the units. All of the other units are wireless. That is what the great thing about a mesh network is. You can put one of these routers by your modem, or whoever your provider where the internet comes into your home, and you can set up multiple more of these around your house wherever there's an outlet, wherever you can plug in. It does have Ethernet cables, so you have a WAN connection here for the internet, and you also do have one LAN Ethernet that you can use to distribute to a switch or to any products that you want to plug in there, as well as this is powered by USB-C power supply, which is nice. It's a new technology. It's really nice to have. There is a button on the back here, I believe, for if you need to reset the device, you can do that. Also, one of the things that I really like about Google products in general, the Nest has this feature as well, but they have these QR codes that you use during setup, so you don't have to enter in all this information when you're setting it up. You just go on the app, the Google Wi-Fi app. You say, hey, I want to add a node, or I want to add a wireless network. It'll ask you to scan this QR code, and it'll just so flawlessly let you just add this node to an existing network or to create a new one. So this is what it looks like. It's, not too big, looks pretty sleek, has some rubber feet on it, so again, not a whole lot of movement. I like that with the Google product. It's not going to just fall off. It's not going to fall off the counter or anything like that. Also inside this box, we do have this is a nice box. I like the kind of jack-in-the-box feel to this. Very well packaged. This is a soft, like foam type thing. We have a let's get started. So basically, plug it in, connect it to your router, connect it to a power supply, and then get the Google Wi-Fi app. It has instructions there for you to use. And then also just general product information and limited time warranties that you can do. Also on the bottom here, I will say I had already opened this box previously. So your power cable is not going to look like this. It does come in here very nice, wrapped up, looks very professional. I still have the tab here that's covering the plastic there. So again, very nice plug. One of the things that I probably would change about this is that this plug does tend to extend quite a distance away from the wall. So if you're plugging this behind a couch or plugging it, somewhere like that, that might bring a challenge. I wish they would have done something where maybe they could have put this outlet on the side here, and that would have been significantly shorter. But again, decent, nice quality cable. It's got the USB-C power supply that we have seen on some of the other Google products. And then they also provide you with a flat Ethernet cable, again, so that you connect the Google Wi-Fi to your existing modem or router. You will be using this to replace your Wi-Fi network. So again, this is the Google Wi-Fi. I will provide a link in the description below for you to purchase this if you would so like, and hope that this unboxing has been helpful. So have a great day. Thank you.